Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to go over the popular framework for building website Webflow and how ConveyThis can integrate into it and translate your website into multiple languages. So we are on the landing page, and in order to get started, let's switch into my websites, this is my test website I launched on Webflow. It has this awkward subdomain name. It's branded by Webflow. Since this is a free account. And in order to translate it, I need to create an account on ConveyThis.com and go into settings. On this screen, I'm already into the settings, and this is my language switcher. It's only in English. And on my free plan, I can add additional language. Let's add Russian. And this is the Show More Options tab. It depends on how deeply you want to customize the widget, but yes, I can show you in this tutorial that you can change rectangular flag to square flag. This is the preview, how the image would look like, to a circle flag, or without flags, just to give you an example. And there are also multiple customization options, such as change flag. You can, for example, replace English with United Kingdom. And your language switcher by default will be United Kingdom English to Russian. So that's all for the customization. And here is your updated JavaScript snippet code. You need to select it or click the button Copy to Clipboard. There's a quick message that shows that it's copied. And then you have to go to your dashboard, this is my dashboard on Webflow account. And I need to click on the multiple ... under my project tab and go into settings. In the settings, I need to locate the tab which says custom code. And in this tab, obviously, on a free plan, they do not allow me to save changes, but if you are upgraded, you can use this tab to place your custom JavaScript code and publish your website. So once you're on a free plan, you can copy the code, this code here, save changes, and then click on publish and publish the website to a live version. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave the comments down below, and don't forget to support our efforts and like our video. Thank you. Bye-bye.